Hello, I'm Sean Strawbridge, Chief Executive Officer for the Port of Corpus Christi. As we approach the end of what can only be described as an extraordinary year, I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude for all our employees, our customers, port workers, and our neighbors. Navigating 2020 has proven that if we stick together and support each other, we can weather any storm, any pandemic, and any challenge. Throughout 2020, the Port of Corpus Christi's top priority has been the health and safety of our workers while remaining open for business. We worked in partnership with HEB to procure, package, and distribute more than 2,000 gallons of sanitizer for area first responders and healthcare professionals on the front line of the war on the novel coronavirus. Our employees continued to keep our facilities running safely and efficiently while integrating COVID-19 protocols, including health screenings, social distancing, and working from home. Together, we all adapted to this new norm, and as a result, we never lost our momentum of becoming the nation's largest gateway for U.S. energy exports. We set yet again another record for tonnage and revenues, which continues to allow us to support our customers, port workers, and the surrounding communities, which have experienced loss beyond comprehension in 2020. Most recently, we announced the conclusion of a 4-year labor of love, the Hillcrest Washington Coal's voluntary real estate acquisition and relocation program. Thanks to this first-of-its-kind program, over 300 residents now have new homes, and 21 renters are now first-time homeowners. We implemented this program not only to save the New Harbor Bridge project, but to demonstrate our commitment to the communities we serve, that no one gets left behind. We increased our community sponsorship giving by nearly $2 million in 2020, funds dedicated to help small businesses and area charities hardest hit by the economic destruction of the global pandemic. We donated nearly $100,000 worth of laptops and mobile hotspots to our Adopt a Schools program so that at-risk children can continue their learning from home. Our steadfast pledge to environmental stewardship also continued in 2020 with the renewal of our ISO 14000 certification, a trash-free waters grant from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency for cleanup of our bays and estuaries, and a newly committed fund and resources to develop 1,600 acres of shoreline protection and habitat creation in Corpus Christi Bay, which will foster a healthy ecosystem. We also remain the first and only port authority in the world to operate on 100% renewable energy, a great source of pride for us here at the Port of Corpus Christi since 2017. Our environmental, social, and governance leadership remains strong and will continue to be so as we attract more investment to the South Texas Coastal Bend. As we close out the epic year of 2020 and enter 2021, we will continue our unwavering promise to uphold the Port of Corpus Christi's seaport values of safety, empowerment, accountability, preparedness, optimism, respect, and teamwork. To the nation, we are the #1 energy export port. But here at home, we are your neighbors, we are your friends, and united, we are Port Strong. From the Port of Corpus Christi family to yours, a very happy holidays.